As urban populations grow, so does the desire for self-sufficiency and sustainable living. Homesteading, once synonymous with rural landscapes, has found a place in urban environments. We will explore how to create a thriving urban homestead by integrating vertical gardening, raising chickens, keeping meat rabbits, and embracing techniques such as container gardening, indoor hydroponics, and food preservation. Vertical gardening. Utilizing every inch. Urban spaces may be limited horizontally, but vertical gardening offers a solution. Use walls, railings, and balconies to host a lush array of herbs, vegetables, and fruits. Vertical planters and hanging pots transform bare spaces into thriving gardens. Choosing the right crops. Opt for crops suited to vertical growth, like tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, and herbs. Ensure proper lighting conditions for your chosen plants, and consider the microclimates of your urban environment. Soil and irrigation. High-quality potting soil and well-draining containers are essential for vertical gardens. Set up an efficient irrigation system, such as drip irrigation, to maintain optimal moisture levels. Composting and nutrient management. Integrate composting into your urban homestead. Convert kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost to fortify your vertical garden soil. Raising chickens. Understanding urban regulations. Before embracing urban chicken keeping, familiarize yourself with local regulations and obtain necessary permits. These regulations often include co-op size, placement, and noise restrictions. Selecting the right breeds. Urban settings demand chicken breeds that are well suited for confined spaces. Bantams and smaller breeds are popular choices due to their adaptability and egg-laying capacity. Crafting the perfect co-op. Design a secure, compact co-op that harmonizes with your urban landscape. Prioritize ventilation, predator protection, and easy access for cleaning and egg collection. Caring for your flock. Provide a balanced diet of commercial feed and kitchen scraps. Maintain a clean co-op environment, and regularly observe your chickens for signs of illness or stress. Meat rabbits. Optimizing space for housing. Raising meat rabbits in urban environments requires space-efficient housing. Consider stackable cages or a well-ventilated rabbit hutch. Selecting ideal rabbit breeds. Choose meat-specific breeds like New Zealand, Californian, or Rex. These breeds offer efficient meat production and adapt well to urban settings. Feeding and hydration. Provide rabbits with a diet comprising hay, pellets, and fresh vegetables. Access to clean water is crucial. Optimal nutrition ensures healthy and swift growth. Breeding and harvesting. For those interested in breeding, familiarize yourself with the breeding process for des, females, and bucks, males. Ethical and humane harvesting techniques are essential for responsible meat production. Sustainable techniques. Container gardening. Beyond vertical spaces, containers offer flexibility. Choose appropriate containers and soil mixes to suit different plant needs. Indoor hydroponics. Harness indoor spaces through hydroponics. These soil-less systems cultivate herbs and leafy greens, enhancing your homestead's yield. Food preservation. Extend the bounty of your urban homestead by mastering food preservation techniques. Canning, dehydrating, and fermenting allow you to enjoy homegrown produce year-round. Conclusion. Urban homesteading is an evolving journey that harmonizes nature with city living. By incorporating vertical gardening, raising chickens, keeping meat rabbits, and embracing sustainable techniques like container gardening, indoor hydroponics, and food preservation, urban dwellers can cultivate a more self-sufficient and ecologically conscious lifestyle. This melding of traditional practices and modern innovations demonstrates that, regardless of space constraints, urban homesteading empowers individuals to take ownership of their sustenance and connection with the environment. Through careful planning and dedication, urban homesteaders can turn their homes into thriving hubs of self-sufficiency and sustainability.